Today we are going to see about an important topic, nothing but switch words. So switch words are really powerful words which when used for a particular purpose, there are like few words for a particular purpose, and when you use it, it works tremendously well. It works really well, and you can realize it only if you try. So what are switch words? These switch words are nothing but common words which are used in the day-to-day terms, but switch words has the potential to reach your subconscious mind, traveling through your conscious mind. Let me explain the dynamics now. So your subconscious mind is the deepest layer of mind, and the topmost layer is your conscious mind. So whatever someone tells to you, your conscious brain will first decide whether that is true or not. It has the analytical capability to check whether that whatever is being conveyed. For example, let me tell you that you are going to get a lottery of 1 lakh today. Okay. So immediately your conscious mind denies the idea that how will you get the lottery of 1 lakh today? It is not possible, and she's just bluffing. So your conscious mind will do all the necessary, it will give all the necessary logical reasons for you to not believe in that. Okay. But if you believe such things strongly, if you believe that you're capable of anything strongly, that can pass through your conscious mind and go to your subconscious. So when something goes to your subconscious, you would strongly believe that, and your subconscious would start to attract whatever you're believing. So if you think that you'll have financial abundance, it should pass through your subconscious, and only when it should pass through your conscious, and only when your subconscious believe it, you would start believing that you will get that financial abundance. So switch words play a bigger part here, because you will question something only when that is conveyed as a sentence. For example, let us consider the same example. I'm going to tell you that you're going to get 1 lakh rupees today, or $2,000 today. What you'll immediately think? No, I don't think that is possible, because you're framing a proper sentence for which can be analyzed by your conscious brain. So what I'm telling you to do is that confuse your conscious brain to activate your subconscious on that particular belief or thought. That's what switch word does. So when you convey something as words, for example, if I tell you apple, even without your conscious brain thinking anything, your subconscious brain observes that apple as a word and starts giving you images of apple in your mind, or any memories based on apple. So that's how switch word works. So when I tell you that word, you will immediately think about it without even your control. Okay, so your conscious brain is being put off at that time, and your subconscious brain gets activated. So now let's see what you can do for financial abundance, getting money, getting instant money, and even urgent money, and what is that money-based switch word. So we'll continuously see that, and I would ask you to be ready with a paper and a pen. Okay, so first thing, for money, the switch word is count. So count is the switch word for money. When you repeatedly tell count to your, maybe you can just tell within yourself like count. When you think that, or when you tell that, automatically your conscious brain won't think anything. It'll be like, okay, count. But your subconscious brain will start to think about the primary thing which most people count most of the time is money. So your subconscious brain would start thinking about counting money. So that will increase your money flow. So count is a switch word for money. Similarly, the switch word for getting help from others, or the community coming and helping you, or someone, if you're running a business, the clients coming and helping you, or people helping you together to promote your business. So if you want this help, not just for business, for anything, okay, for anything, if you need people support and people help, you can think the switch word together. So when you repeatedly think together, what it does is it pulls that particular thought. When you think together, you'll think about people, getting together and then doing things together. So it's like it's a crowd pulling word. So the switch word for support from people is together, and the switch word for support from God is divine. So when you think divine, even before your conscious brain getting anything, the subconscious brain will start thinking about God support. So divine, 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 if you tell that, you would start getting God's support. Okay. And if you put all of these together, you'll get the mantra for financial abundance, which is indeed the switch word for financial abundance, which is together divine count. So together divine count is the switch word for financial abundance. And count is the switch word for money, as I already told you. Okay. And apart from this, how you can apply these switch words, you have to know a means to apply it, right? Like how I can apply these switch words. So you can use a paper, a small paper like this, draw a circle and write whatever switch words you want inside that circle, and you can have this paper under your pillow, or you can paste it on your water bottle, the water bottle which you generally use. What I do is I use different water bottle and glasses to drink water. So I generally keep this paper in my desk and keep water bottle on top of this one, such that it's within the circle. So when you do this, the water gets charged with these words. Okay, you can do that as well to charge. And when you consume that water, you get yourself charged with that water's memory. So water has memory, you know that, right? And so you can either tell these words or consume water. And now coming to the other point. So the switch word for instant money. So if you want instantly, so whatever I told is for financial abundance in general, which takes time to, build. But for instant money, there are manifestation numbers. So do try this manifestation numbers for instant money. So the manifestation numbers for instant money is 897, 781, 741, 847. I've even written that inside this. And 897, 781, 741, 847. You can do this in the 369 method, which I've already suggested. So write it morning 3 times, afternoon 3 times, morning 3 times, or telling that morning 3 times just as soon as you get up, afternoon 6 times, and just before going to your bed, just before sleeping. Write or tell 9 times. So 369, write or tell. Okay. You can do this. And the best way this works out, which I have seen the best way to work, is when you write these numbers in your left hand palm. So when you write it in the palm, it works out. I've seen it instantly working, and when I gave this to people in my other interviews, they have the written testimony that it works. Also, especially for people who are in the sales. So they have told that when I write this number, I instantly get orders, and good amount of orders where he gets good money out of it. Apart from this, there is also one more. See, if you had seen the video till the end, I always give important information towards the end, and only if you come across it, you will get it. And only if you have that, the destiny to get it, you'll get it. So the last and the best is for urgent money. So for urgent money, you can use this switch word mixed with manifestation numbers. That is suddenly 741 speed now. Suddenly 741 speed now. So the 741 here is nothing but the signal of fulfillment. So they also tell this as an angel number or a manifestation number, but this is the signal of fulfillment. Okay, so do try this and tell in the comment section whether it works for you or not. And if it works, you have to definitely tell it, because you have received something and that is very good, and you have to tell it to the world. Only then you will get good karma out of it. Okay, do comment in the comment section about whatever your testimony is. Okay, thank you.